Throughout history, humans have wondered about the size of our world. We've searched for boundaries and truths. Long ago, people believed the world had an edge somewhere beyond the horizon. Today, we use telescopes to explore the cosmos. The universe does have an edge, but here's the twist. We don't know if it's the end of everything or just a threshold. Imagine it like a doorway leading to another universe or unknown dimension. Neil deGrasse Tyson reminds us that the problem isn't the universe, it's our minds trying to grasp its vastness. With our telescopes, we're currently looking at about 46.5 billion light-years in every direction. So far, no end is in sight. The mass of stars, galaxies, and cosmic phenomena we've found is mind-boggling. Despite the vastness, our curiosity drives us. We want to know if the universe truly has an edge and what lies beyond. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, might finally reveal this cosmic mystery. Neil deGrasse Tyson's quote reminds us that everything seems to have a beginning. But the universe? That's still a grand question. When we think about the universe, we often consider facts, figures, and the structures we can observe. But dealing with the cosmos quickly reveals the limits of our thoughts and perceptions. To truly grasp the incredible dimensions of the universe, we must stretch our mental boundaries. Astronomers and cosmologists in particular should be open-minded and free-spirited. However, even scientists face limitations. The James Webb Space Telescope is now pushing our understanding to new frontiers. Theories and truths are wobbling and our worldview may shift, much like when people realize the Earth is round. The JWST has made astonishing discoveries. It shows us galaxies that are ancient and perfectly developed, so much so that they shouldn't exist. Instead of expected protostars and baby galaxies from the Dark Ages, we see rows of well-formed, old-looking galaxies. Are we witnessing the universe's beginning? And did the Dark Ages truly exist? Or were they a human invention due to our limited knowledge? But that's not all. The JWST also found a massive cluster of galaxies that existed too early. These galaxies challenge our previous understanding of cosmic formation. Countless galaxies with redshifts greater than 10, meaning they existed when the universe was just 2% of its current age, paint a different picture. Rather than a dark world, we see a universe much like today's. Spectroscopy, the study of light, played a crucial role. Here's what we've learned. The JWST revealed galaxies that are incredibly old and perfectly developed. These galaxies shouldn't exist according to our previous understanding. Spectroscopy confirmed these results multiple times over, showing that they're not just anomalies. Astronomers use spectroscopy to break down light from distant objects into different wavelengths. By analyzing this light, we can determine the age of the source and its physical properties, like chemical composition. These ancient galaxies not only defy our expectations, they contain elements and stars that challenge the idea of a young universe. So the universe's temporal edge keeps moving away from us, but what about its spatial edge? In the cosmos, we can't personally explore space. Instead, we rely on telescopes. With a powerful telescope like the JWST, we look deeper and deeper into space. When we look out into space, we encounter a fascinating phenomenon. Light takes time to travel. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, allows us to see light that has traveled incredible distances, 4 light-years, 100, 1,000, or even 13 billion light-years away. But here's the twist. We're always seeing the past. It's like looking at your room through a time machine. The James Webb Space Telescope, also known as JWST, allows us to see light that has traveled incredible distances, 4 light-years, 100, 1,000, or even 13 billion light-years away. But here's the twist. We're always seeing the past. But what about spatial boundaries? Have we found the edges of the cosmos? It's a paradox. Imagine searching for walls in a dark concert hall. You can't see them directly, so you'd have to feel your way around. In space, we can't explore personally, so we rely on telescope. The JWST challenges our understanding. It reveals that the universe isn't expanding uniformly everywhere. Maybe our cosmos isn't a simple, homogeneous structure. Perhaps there are hidden dimensions we haven't recognized. The JWST keeps surprising us. It recently observed a distant galaxy with an enormous active galactic center, a quasar fueled by a black hole 10 times the mass of our Sun. These structures break boundaries and defy limits. Even in its search for exoplanets, the JWST pushes us beyond our assumptions. Take HIP 65426b, a gas giant 12 times larger than Jupiter. It orbits its star at a distance 100 times greater than Earth's distance from the Sun, farther than Pluto from the Sun. The JWST directly imaged this exoplanet, a rare feat. Our universe is full of peculiarities, exceptions, and uncharted dimensions. So, looking for an end or limits? Thanks for watching the video, also subscribe the channel.